Alright guys, we got our soap dispenser in today from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here for you. We have actually two of them right now. We have one back here in the kitchen, we have one in the front, and this one I am going to install in our employee bathroom. So let me go ahead and get this unboxed and I'll show you what we have in the box as well as how to get it installed. Alright, so as we open it up here, there's another box inside of a box. Once we dig in, we have the soap dispenser, we have the thing that goes underneath, actually it goes on this side, it goes underneath to catch any spill. We don't use it currently. If you want to use it, you can use it. And then we have a little container here along with our instructions, which you won't need. I'll walk you through how to do it real quick. Here's everything inside the box that we're going to need. These are the different pumps. One is going to be for normal liquid, and the big one is going to be for foaming. This is the one that we use. I prefer the foaming. So this is the one that I'm going to show you how to set up. The clip locks it in, and then of course we have the power. So let me go ahead and get this unraveled. I'll get the bathroom ready and then we'll go ahead and get this installed for you. Alright, let's get this pulled out of the bubble wrap here. Here's the unit, and then in this bag we have the key. So let me go ahead and pop that key open, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we pop the top to this. Alright, to open it, there's this on the top. Take the key here, and we're just going to stick it in and push it down, and then it'll pop it open for us. Now this is where you're going to fill the soap. This is the container. It has a nozzle in here. Again, this is a nozzle for non-foaming. We like the foaming, so we're going to replace this nozzle with the big nozzle. Okay? Now, to get this nozzle out of here, you just push these two in and then pull up. Which I'm doing one-handed, but we got it out. And then now this is off. Okay? You're going to fill it from the top here. Get my finger out of the way. And there's this little clip right here. This is what we're going to pop off to swap out the nozzle. So we just simply pop that off. We'll go grab it. And then you just want to take this piece and we're going to separate it from the container like so. Now we're going to take our big piece and then we're just going to stick it in the bottom here. So here's the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and stick it in. Just give me a sec. Doing this one hand is not the easiest, so bear with me. I'm just going to go ahead and put that in. I'm going to stick this in there, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so now that we have that in there, and now this clip that is on the smaller ones, you're not going to need it with the bigger nozzle, because the bigger nozzle is going to fit in there, and you won't need the clip. Okay? The clip is there because the smaller one to keep it nice and secure. Now, as far as this clip, it just goes on the neck here. You can just push it in, and now that's all locked together. So now the next step is we're going to go ahead and find the spot on the wall to put this on, and I'll show you that right now. Alright guys, so we're in the bathroom, and this is where we're going to put it. We're going to put it on the wall like right here, because our outlet is down there, so it'll be nice and easy. Now you can see the two holes here, the two holes in the back of the dispenser. We're just going to put those in the wall, and we're going to secure those to the wall with the screws that came with it. Now it does come with an anchor if you choose to use an anchor. These are the screws that we're going to use. We don't use the anchor on the other two that I put up simply because with this soap dispenser, as you can see, it's automatic. Okay, so you're going to put your hand under and then the soap's going to come out. So there's really no force being pulled down. So let me get this secured to the wall and I'll show you how this works. Alright guys, so there you go. So now it's secured to the wall. So we get it in. There she is, and then we put underneath. We'll get our soap. So let me go ahead and finish getting it set up. Let me show you how to fill the tank, and then we'll get the tank added, we'll get it plugged in, and then I'll show you how it works. Alright guys, so here's the hand foaming soap that we currently use. Now if you get different soap, some of them you're gonna have to dilute, because if you don't dilute it, what happens is the foaming dispenser is gonna get clogged up and it's gonna come out like snot, okay? If that happens, if it comes out like snot after you've used it for a while and you go to refill it, what you need to do is basically empty the container, fill it up with hot water, and then just pump it through a bunch of times to clean out the foaming dispensers. Because what happened is old foam kind of built up in there, and that's why it's no longer foaming. So let me go ahead and get this filled up, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, so now we have our dispenser filled up. Let's go ahead and put it in the dispenser now. All right, so now we have it open. We're just gonna simply put this in here, push it all the way in. This will be towards the front, and then let's go ahead and close it. And now for the power cord is gonna go on the side here. So it's gonna go right in here, and then you have an on-off switch right here, okay? So let's go get that plugged in. All right, so we have it plugged in there. I'm gonna go ahead and plug her in right here. Make sure that it is on, which is down. Now she's on. Let's go ahead and there we go. We have our soap. So guys, like I said, this is our third one. We love these soap dispensers. We used to have Cintas come in and do our soap dispensers, but it just didn't make sense to pay them week after week to come give us refills for our soap dispenser plus paying for the soap dispenser. So we went out and got our own from Amazon. These are relatively cheap, between $30 to $50. I think this one was like $35 or something like that. So I'll leave the link below to this soap dispenser in the comments, so you can go ahead and check it out on Amazon, check the prices. But it works great, guys. So if you're using Cintas or any other type of company to come in to do your soap dispensers, you might want to just invest in buying your own. It's going to save you a ton of money, as the soap lasts a really long time. So again, we love these soap dispensers. I'll leave everything in the comments below so you can check it out. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.